In our last Irish language class, we focused on the topic of knowledge and how to say a couple of phrases about knowledge, about what you know, what you don't know, things that everyone knows, and things like that. And today we are moving on to the topic of need. So I have a lot of phrases here today that, well, some will be more useful than others, some are a bit strange. So let's start off first looking at the verb and the noun. But first, the noun need, a need or needs, can be said in a couple of ways. Need, noun, dee, gá, gátar, riachtanas, call. Likewise with the verb, there are a couple of different structures that we can use to say similar things. Something is needed. Tá rud dee-ah. Somebody needs something. Tá rud dee-ah dhuine. Somebody needs something. Is gá rud do dhuine. Somebody needs something. Tá gá ag dhuine le rud. Somebody needs something. Taistáil rud ó dhuine. Be needed. Tass-toyl. So let's move on to the phrases. The first one is asking someone what they need. Dee ghwit, dee-ah, ghwit, hello. Kerd a-taw ag tass-toyl uait. Kerd a-taw ag tass-toyl uait. Dee ghwit, Kerd a-taw ag tass-toyl uait. Hello, what do you need? A follow-up question might be, do you need anything else? On bhfuil ein rud eile, uait, or uaibh. Uait is if you're talking to one person, uaibh is if you're talking to more than one. On bhfuil ein rud eile, uait, you, or uaibh, you, plural. On bhfuil ein rud eile uait, on bhfuil ein rud eile uaibh. If you want to say you don't need any more of something, you can say neel a eile raibh, mawh agat. Neel a eile raibh, mawh agat, you will remember that is thank you. So I don't need any more, thank you. Neel a eile raibh, mawh agat. Neel a eile raibh, mawh agat. Neel sow-lee-okht bith ag tass-toyl chun shuh a hish-kint. A couple of longer words, a couple of new words here probably. Sow-lee-okht is imagination. Bith is at all. So neel sow-lee-okht bith ag tass-toyl chun shuh a hish-kint means no imagination at all is needed to understand this. Neel sow-lee-okht bith ag tass-toyl chun shuh a hish-kint. If you know what is needed, what is necessary and what needs to be done, what is required, you can say tá a-is agam, I know, cad a-taw dee-ah, what is needed. Tá a-is agam cad a-taw dee-ah. Tá a-is agam cad a-taw dee-ah. Mixing knowledge and need there together. I need to go now. Kawh-hee im-okht anish. Kawh-hee is I need to or I have to. Im-okht to go, anish now. Kawh-hee im-okht anish. Kawh-hee im-okht anish. I need to talk to you. Taistáil uaim labhairt leat. Taistáil uaim, I need to. Labhairt, talk or speak, leat, to you or with you. Taistáil uaim labhairt leat. Taistáil uaim labhairt leat. I needed a drink, but the pub was closed. Bhí diuch uaim, I was thirsty or I needed a drink, ach bhí an pub dúnta, but the pub was closed. Dúnta is closed. Bhí dioch orm, ach bhí an pub dúnta. You need to distinguish between the two things. Is ga either ghealú, either an dá rud. Is ga means it's necessary or you need to. Either ghealú, distinguish, either between an dá rud, the two things. Is ga either ghealú, either an dá rud. Is ga either ghealú, either an dá rud. I need money badly. Tám I grúchas cheall airgid. Tám I grúchas cheall airgid. Tám I grúchas cheall airgid. Take what you need. Thuilleadh a bhfuil uait. Thuilleadh a bhfuil uait. Thuilleadh a bhfuil uait. It could be an answer to the previous statement. This will need some explanation. Caithfear an scéal shuh a bhí nú. Caithfear an scéal shuh, this story, a bhí nú, to explain. Caithfear an scéal shuh a bhí nú. This will need some explanation. This story will need to be explained. Do you need to work? An mian ort a bheith ag obair. An mian ort a bheith ag obair. Ag obair is working. An mian ort a bheith ag obair. So this is more like, do you have to be working? An mian ort a bheith ag obair. You needn't say any more. Tá do ghóchan ráite. Tá do ghóchan ráite. Ghóchan, it's like enough or more than enough. Ráite is spoken. So it's like you have already spoken enough. You don't need to say any more. You can also say ná habair níos mó. Don't speak anymore. Ná habair níos mó. Tá do ghóchan ráite, ná habair níos mó. Tá do ghóchan ráite, ná habair níos mó. I need hardly tell you. Ní gá dom a rá leat. 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 No need to say that. Níl aon cháil é sin a rá. Níl aon cháil é sin a rá. Níl aon cháil é sin a rá. I have no need of your assistance. Níl gnó bith le do chuidiú a gom. Níl gnó bith le do chuidiú a gom. Níl gnó bith le do chuidiú a gom. If needs be, or in case of need, má bhíonn sé riachtanach. Má bhíonn sé riachtanach. Má bhíonn sé riachtanach. Or you can simply say más gá. Más gá. Má bhíonn sé riachtanach, más gá. The second one is easier. Má bhíonn sé riachtanach, más gá, if needs be. And finally, there is no need to worry. Níl cáil bith le himní. Bith, remember again, is at all. Níl cáil bith, there is no need at all le himní to worry. Níl cáil bith le himní. Níl cáil bith le himní. There's a nice variety of phrases relating to needs or needing something. I know some of them are a bit strange. Hopefully we won't have to use the one about the pub being closed, but you never know. And I'll see you again for another Irish class very soon.